Let's go. Hi guys. Today we're going to do we're going to make a mango shake. Oh, wow, mango shake. Excited? Okay, mommy will do this because it's dangerous.
Why do you cut like that?
Of course, because you're gonna scrape the meat.
The fruit juice in it.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you cut like that.
Mm-hmm. So that you can get all as much as you can. The meat for the meat.
And what are we going to do at the seeds?
Yeah, you can eat it.
But I don't feel like eating it
Okay,
today.
mommy will eat it.
Or maybe ask Kali. Before I had cut a apple.
Okay, from here you do the scrape it. Oh, get it, hold it, ito din ate, you do this. Let's remove it.
I know how to do it.
Oh, let's do
But the
it.
black part, you have to remove
Okay,
it.
do it. You too, Kaniko. Let's wash hand after. You do it. Then I'll go to brush the ice.
Okay. No. Come on, let's put the fruit. At least we have it.
So while doing that, I'm gonna prepare the mix. I'm gonna add some sugar. Let's add some sugar.
How sticky.
It's okay, it's okay. Wow. I like it. Oh, good, good, very good, Kalipot. Okay. Wow, galing ni ate. It's all clean up. Wow, galing din ni Kalipot. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Mom, how sticky.
So stick. Let's please. Scrape more.
Sticky and juicy.
Mm-hmm.
That way it's a national.
Then you can wash your hand after.
Add so much ice, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. And go,
Then we
Kali.
wash my hands. You let Kali wash her hand there.
Yeah.
Very good. I also have to have Kali. Like Kali.
Let's prepare some.
Cups.
Yeah.
Why is there water? Is that for the times we get?
Help me. Let's scrape more. Very good. Oh, you can wash your hand now.
No.
Good. Okay.
You don't want it? My hand is still wet.
Then, I'm gonna do is ate, you put the mango in the blender. Here. Put here. Okay. I help you.
Can you make it there?
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. No, no.
This.
Then you add the milk. Here, no. Add the milk. Use this. The bigger
Okay.
help. Okay. Okay. Very good.
All of it, mommy.
Yeah. Let me see.
Let me just go.
I'm telling you, put it. Finish on. Wow. Wow. So good.
That's so much, but the ice is
Then,
still
after you add a little water, just a little under.
I want to.
Little. Sige, ate first, then, kalit stir. Kalit po.
Just a little bit, ha?
Wait.
Just a little.
Okay. Oh. Let's do a little more. Okay. Then, let's blend it.
I want.
Dito si mami kasi doon natin ilalagay sa liquid vitamin. Yeah. Here.
Okay. At close your ears. Okay.
Wow. Actually, get me a tissue, please. Wow. Wow, look. Oh. Wow. Ate, you look. Oh. Wow. Let's do it. Let's have a drink.
Drinks.
Cheer drinks. Ooh.
Of course. Ay, don't forget to use some chicken.
Yes.
Aren't you trying to mine?
Yes. Then, do you want some straw?
No.
No?
Yeah, I want.
You want straw? Okay. This for you, ate.
You're gonna add yours. Oh, that's so much.
Oh. Then, let's get some straw.
Mommy, I thought you're not allowed to eat mango.
Yeah, but that's one I think is good.
This is fresh one.
Finish your you want straw? What? No.
No.
Okay. Let's try. Mmm. Good.
Mommy,
Mm.
go offering kiss too.
Okay, cheers.
Mom, mine too.
And cheers. Cheers.
Hey, you hit mine. Like, all
Drink.
three.
All three.
Like,
Pan. Drink. Mmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.